What's new?
What's new? Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Nice.
Not just nice, the display automatically adjusts color and contrast to the content and surroundings. It's called Vision Booster.
Okay.
Watch this.
Whoa! Can you even drive this thing?
Look, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy.
Increasing GPU, CPU, NPU.
We've got the most powerful processor on Samsung Galaxy.
Stop, stop, stop! Whoa!
Can't stop. This processor is more efficient, so I can keep going.
Hey, you're under the water?
Sir, focus! Galaxy S23 Ultra was designed with a Hornet in mind. 20% recycled ocean-wearing plastic, 22% recycled glass, and 80% PET film.
This is the perfect place for astrophotography with Expert RAW.
Expert who?
Just wait and see.
Look at you with your fancy pen.
It's the S Pen. So mighty, I can use it to adjust color curve, exposure with absolute precision. Here, let's take a selfie.
Here? Now?
Yeah, scanitography. With AI object-aware engine that recognizes details like skin, eyebrows, hair.
Can you send me that?
Done.
Hey, where's your sled?
Don't need one. It's more fun filming you with nightography. Galaxy S23 Ultra got 2 times wider OIS and improved AI for more stable night videos.
You took that?
That is 200 megapixels of epic detail. So I can pinch, crop, scale, however I like.
Where are you taking me now?
Here.
That was epic.
Hey, what's new?
You've got to check this out.
What's so special about Samsung foldables?
Samsung is a frontrunner in the evolution of foldable smartphones, advancing foldable technology year after year.
Tell me more.
Certainly. Your prompt is my command. Wow! 5th generation foldables. What's new? Oh, okay. Galaxy Z Flip 5, you first. Well, well, well. The compact form factor, along with its timeless color palette, is a perfect balance of style and function. Stunning. In other words, wowzer! But don't take my word for it. Look! Love the form factor and pocketability? If pockets had feelings, they'd write love letters to this phone. Oh. Oh! New prompt.
What's pocketability?
This is pocketability. I never really had a pocket, but pocketability seems like a big hit with people who do. What's next? Hi. Oh, look at you, Flex Window. Are you saying a big Flex Window on a Galaxy Z Flip 5 delivers plenty of space for you to flex your style and showcase more personality? Big statement. Prove it. Is that all you got? Cool designs. Oh, wow, so many options. Stop! Ooh. Am I seeing double, or are you displaying multiple widgets at once? Oh, you want me to pick? Okay, how about music? Oh, yeah, here we go. FlexCam, let's do it. Let's see. This is her favorite. The rest, delete. Hands-free. It's like a tripod. Camcorder mode. They see what you see. Wait. What's this? 12 megapixel pro-grade sensor rear camera. High-res FlexCam selfie. FlexCam seems like a unique reason to get Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let me go through it again. What did I learn? Big flex window. widgets, pocketability, flex cam, and this is a fold, wide angle for, wait a minute. Oh, you sneaky foldy, I see you. Oh, all right, let's see. What are we working with here? 10 grams lighter and 2.4 millimeters slimmer than before? The screen is 7.6 inches big and the flex hinge? Nearly gapless. What now?
Sounds nice, but how do I use it?
Here are two areas where a bigger screen will be beneficial. Productivity, entertainment.
I like both, but let's go with this first.
Why work on one task at a time if you can multitask? And with your last recently used apps, right here, and app pairs, right there, you can easily work, study, play.
All right, got it. Now, entertainment.
A big screen like this gives you a more immersive viewing experience. See? So powerful. I wonder what's inside. Ah, I know what this means. Powerful gaming. This is fun. Okay, I got it. Galaxy Z Foldables, the ultimate foldable phones for productivity and self-expression. Now